Today we're going to talk about the new umbrella that we have. It's a push button, so when you push it, it opens. You just press it and it opens. And the nice part is when you press it again, it shuts automatically. You do have to press down hard on the stick to get it to go all the way down though. And it's a little bit tough. Sometimes you can press it against the ground or just give it some muscle and it'll close. So are you ready to pop open the button? Okay. Now tilt the umbrella a little bit towards me. We're going to make it rain. Is it keeping you dry?
Yep.
Look at that. The water just beads off. And it goes down on top of the umbrella. Since we have had rain in at least a week,
dry.
I thought we'd make it rain with some of the hose sprinkler. Okay, so now the rainstorm's over. Are you completely dry?
Yep.
Awesome.
Not a single drop. Before,
Cool. I like it.
single drop on me. I'm completely dry.
Thumbs up. It works.
Thumbs up.
Thank you for watching. Bye.
Bye.
Hello. This is the day that we have a rainstorm, and it's a perfect day to try out the umbrella. Standing in the rain, staying dry. It's working great. Pops open with the button closed. And to open it up, it's a little bit hard to get closed. I like to press it on the ground like that. Watch this. Bam. Awesome. Love it. Staying nice and dry underneath my new umbrella. Thanks for watching my video.